Morning, everybody.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like,
We just wake up, tired. This one wake up to do streaks.
I woke up to my streaks and I went back to sleep.
You have any explanations for yourself?
No, I just didn't and went back to sleep.
Streak. Come on, man. Come on.
But we're probably gonna get up and like, shower and whatever. And I don't know, my sister just messaged me, so she probably wants us to get up to get ready to go do stuff.
We might, rewarm our food. Breakfast will be up from yesterday. I don't know. I had sauce and Johnny cake.
If
you know, you know.
I probably am gonna eat that for breakfast or just some cereal. I don't really wanna.
Tired. Not really tired, but that was a stretch. Wake up stretch.
Last night was...
Yeah, we had fun. We went to the port Bucaya. I mean, that was probably like my third or fourth time ever going there.
Oh yeah, because he's not from this island. He's from another one.
The first time I was in school for, it was a sports, a basketball tournament. Yeah. We're straight, man. Hopping from. It's like downtown in Nassau, something like that. Yeah. It's basically like downtown. But it was a little more live because some people in Nassau like to stand around. They don't go not bar hopping, but hopping from place to place. Where the music at. But it was nice though, still. Enjoying myself.
My family really likes him so far. So
Who doesn't like me? Who wouldn't like me? Who wouldn't like your boy? Who wouldn't? Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on.
anyway, so we'll get back to y'all when we're up.
We're up, but I mean like we get back to y'all when we out. That's what she meant. Gonna show y'all what's in store for today. So we'll catch y'all later.
Hey guys, so I was supposed to vlog when we were getting dressed, but we had to rush and get out the house. We're currently at the beach. Say hi, Chia. Hi. We're currently at the beach right now, about to take some of her graduation pictures with her sons, my nephews. Ash is back there. I think you should stay like right there. He has like suede J's on, and we're on the sand. I don't think it's a great idea. But I'm about to take a few pictures for her, and then we're gonna go get my sisters, and then we're gonna go to lunch. So yeah, that's what we on right now. That's what we on.
Let me get one. The white thing, the white rock. The water. Oh, it's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. It's so, oh, it's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. So sweet, so sweet. It's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. It's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. It's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. So sweet, so sweet. It's so dee-da-lee-da-lee. It's so sweet.
Hey guys, excuse my crazy edges, but I've been having a hard time, honestly, trying to keep up with the vlogging because I've been having a lot of, fun, and I've just been trying to live in that moment, But we are back at the Airbnb changing because Babe ended up getting some dirt on his shirt. We don't know how. I guess it was from the car. So he changed, and I changed out of my dress that I was wearing earlier because it was hot and my thighs were just not liking it. So I just put on something simple, because we're about to go to happy hour. But he's currently changing, and I'm letting my phone charge too. That's another reason why I haven't been vlogging, because my phone has been dead like the whole time. So it's getting some juice now before we head back out to go meet my sister again. So yeah. Of course I'm ready and waiting at the door, and he's just taking forever. Babe, come on, let's go.
I gotta take a shot first.
I'm leaving you.
Water cake.
I can't even leave you. I have to lock.
So we're heading out. This is my outfit. Whereas he wants to dress like me, so he put on a black shirt and shorts just like me.
We actually came here for me to change.
Anyway, it was hot. I had to take that dress off. But we about to go stop for gas and then head out to happy hour. And you know, live your best life. But we'll holler at y'all in a few. Yeah, so can I get your number, baby?
No.
That kind of hurted me though.
Hey guys, after a long night, another long night of festivities, we are finally back at the Airbnb. Honestly, the day moved so quickly, I didn't really have time to like update you guys on everything. Today was our most like rushed day. We were like all over the place, rushing to get dressed earlier and then in a bit of a rush to get dressed again when we came back for another outing. So we were like all over the place. But they probably already said 3 times. But my feet are killing me from these babies because I'm still breaking them in. So they killed my feet. But I'm honestly super excited to shower and go to sleep. My sister's graduation is tomorrow. It's been such a long day. Like every day. So tomorrow we have my sister's graduation, and then we're having like a family dinner, and then we're all gonna go out again. Monday is definitely recovery day. We're probably gonna use that day to like enjoy the pool, probably go to the beach. I don't know. Right, babe? So we're about to unwind, take showers, because it's so hot and humid. It's just like when you go out, you're bound to get hot. Babe, my knee looks weird. Y'all, my knee been doing some weird stuff since I've been here, but we'll probably figure it out. Anyway, good night. Say good night, babe.
Good night, everybody. Morning, everybody. Don't mind the do-rag, you see. But it's a nice morning, though. Not gonna lie. Even though the clouds look gray. Small things. No gray clouds and stuff, no show. You know what I mean? So, Ebony's sister's graduation is today. We about to head out soon. We getting dressed. We're getting ready. Let's have some tea, because, you know, gotta be healthy. Yeah, pops, you know what I mean? Drinking my tea, you know, gotta stay with it. But yeah, man, it's about to be a beautiful day. Got a big lunch/dinner prepared by her grandmother's house. And I've been waiting the whole trip, you know. She have a, what do you call it? Wow, I can't believe I forgot my favorite dessert. Guava duff. Am I even behaving? Come on, how am I forgetting guava duff? The name guava duff. If you don't know, you need to know. It's a problem if you don't know if you're behaving. If you don't eat guava duff, something wrong. For real. It's like the greatest. Ice cream. The sauce, when it's frozen, you can eat it like ice cream. So I mean, like, where do you go wrong with that? Where do you? Tell them, mother, where do you go wrong with that? I could eat like a whole pan by myself. But don't mind me rambling. Kind of excited for today because it's about to be a good day. Not gonna lie. But we catch y'all later. Ebony getting ready right now, but we catch y'all in a few.
Guys, I can't even.
Guys, everybody say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
You cannot see any of us, but we are currently, maybe. We're going back to my aunt's house. Today has been a hell of a day, as you can see. I look crusty, but what day is this? 3? Okay, crazy. Day 3 is just about to be a wrap in a minute. We may be going out, we may not, we don't know. But everybody's tired. We literally partied 2 nights straight. So, no! Get on me! Get on me! Oh, you heavy! Okay. Oh, Jesus! Mother sick. But yeah, it was just a good day with the fam per usual. That's what the trip was. Yeah, it was a great weekend. We had a lot of fun. Now we roaming the streets to go back to Wentz weekend. Not forward flash. But anyway, until the next day, because I probably can forget the vlog when I get home. Your girl Eb is out.
It's so sweet, so sweet, so sweet.